if you're cooking dinner and you need to come up with some rolls quick, we've got the recipe for you.
Today we're making no knead, no yeast quick rolls, and we're gonna show you how it's done. So come on in. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Shotgun Red. And this is Sheila.
And this is Jennifer.
And we're so glad you're here today. If you're just joining us for the first time, welcome to the channel. And for all of you who watch us every week, we're so happy you guys are back watching us. And
we have got a recipe today that is quick. And you know me, I like quick stuff.
We both like quick and easy stuff.
Yes.
And this is a quick one. You know, when you need some dinner rolls,
and you don't want to leave, go to the store and get something. You can mix this together, and you've got all these ingredients anyway.
Absolutely. I mean, most people have these in their cupboard already, so this is gonna be so easy for you guys to do and quick.
I know. Where's my little recipe? This is a little thing I had a long time ago. Look how the color's already changed on it.
I know, it's all yellow.
Yes. And it was in my little box of all the recipes and everything that I tore out of magazines, and this was in there. And I used to do this a long time ago. And I thought, that is good. It's only got 4 ingredients.
4 ingredients.
Yeah.
How easy is that? Mm-hmm. So, all right. Yeah. So what we got in there?
2 cups of self-rising flour.
Okay.
Right here. And then you can pour in 1 cup of milk.
Okay.
In here. And then a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Right here.
Just a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise.
Yes. All you need. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar. And
that's it. We're going to mix it really well.
Yes.
So get that completely blended.
Get this left hand going.
That's right. I'm glad it's over there. Otherwise she'd be knocking into me. We'll let her mix that up. Yeah. Now what we did, while she's mixing that up, we went ahead and took some Baker's Joy, and we got our muffin pan here, and we went ahead and sprayed a little Baker's Joy in here, and then we just kind of took a little paper towel and just wiped it out. This is already a nonstick pan, but just helps these rolls pop out there just a little easier. So it's all ready to go, and we've got our oven preheated to 450 degrees. And
I got a mess already.
Look it. You want me to get here? I'll get you. Here you go. There you go. Oh. Wipe that hand off. I am so good to her.
You are.
It's early. This is the early morning recipe. You know, when we do our
the first one.
The first one of the day. So we're together.
Yes, we got it. We
got it together.
Yeah, and see how good that looks.
Yeah.
Yeah, and all you do is just drop these in the pan.
So it's almost like a drop biscuit or a drop roll, but we're going to do them here in the muffin pan, and we're going to do half of these with just the regular dough, and then we're going to add a little cheese in there as well. So I'm going to move this over for you, and I'll move that out of your way.
There you go.
Okay.
That.
All right.
Let's put that there.
I'll hold it.
You hold it?
I'll hold it, and you just drop it in just as neat as you can be, because, you know.
Yeah. You know what? And Mama Donna over here.
She'll be cleaning it up. She'll like, oh, wait, we got to fix that.
She'll say, stop. Let me get this. Stop.
So we're just going to drop these right in there. Do half of them plain, and then we're going to add some cheese in the bowl.
Yep.
And make us some cheesy drop rolls, too.
If you got other things you might want to add to it, you can.
Well, you might want regular dinner rolls for dinner, and the next morning you might want some cheesy rolls, so.
I'm just picking randomly here.
Yeah, I can see that. Are you playing tic-tac-toe?
Yeah, I am.
She's going across, and down here I block you right there.
I don't start over.
No, you can't start over. It's too late. You're in there.
I'm in that tic-tac-toe. Huh?
They know how we are.
Oh, yeah. We got a lot of bloopers on a lot of these recipes.
Yeah, especially some of the early ones we did. Boy, do we have some bloopers. So I'm going to push that down while you're doing that.
Yeah.
So we're going to add some cheese in there. I don't know how much cheese you want to add.
Just take some like this and just...
I just put some in a bowl, so...
Yeah.
You probably don't want all that in there, but some.
That'd be plenty right there.
I'm just going to smooth these out while you're doing that. I'm gonna do what Mama Donna's gonna be doing in a minute as soon as we turn off the camera.
She's gonna be cleaning.
She comes over and cleans it all up for us. Huh.
And some people, oh, I can use an ice cream scooper. Oh, I'd use this, I'd use that.
Yeah.
Heck,
Well,
I just use a spoon.
well, you know. Get messy.
Because you got that napkin for me, don't you?
That's right. I do.
We can go out and eat somewhere, and Jennifer's, she looks at me and then she says, do you want a napkin?
I do. And she's always got some little piece of something. We used to laugh at it. She'd have like one little piece of something right there. I'm like, here, you need a napkin? She goes, why do I got something on my face? I'm like, yes.
We're going to run out of dough on that last one, but that's okay.
That's all right. Just scrape the rest
get
of that
as
in
many
there.
as
We
you
can
want.
still throw some from that one and make it even looking.
Oh, yeah.
So it doesn't quite make the whole...
Well, we need a baby one in there anyway.
Well, we always got to have a baby one because that's the one we get to test. Make sure it's
Yeah.
good, so...
They're cute.
All right. Well, we're going to put this in the oven. Now, how long are we baking this for?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. That's quick.
Yes.
We like quick.
Quick biscuits.
450 degrees.
Rolls.
And
Whatever
we
you
are
wanna call
on it.
10 minutes and it was done.
It's done and it smells so good and
It
it's
is.
hot and warm and fluffy and the ones with the cheese on them too. Oh, I can't wait to try it.
I know. We got
Let's
butter
do it.
and we got,
Honey?
yes, we got honey. I was trying
That
to think,
right.
what's that, honey?
Honey.
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 Honey. I looked over and I said, what?
All right, what kind are you going to get
I want to
first?
say that was syrup or something.
Are you going to get the regular or cheesy?
I get a cheesy.
Okay,
One.
you go cheesy.
Okay.
And I'll get one of these, look at that.
Yeah.
Fluffy.
Fluffy.
And I'm going to cut this right in half.
I'm going to put some butter in it.
Look at
Like
that.
this. Okay, these cheese rolls right here, the ones got cheese in it, you can also add some garlic powder in it a little bit when you start to do this one.
Oh yeah, garlic powder, garlic
Yeah.
salt, and make yourself some garlic bread.
Garlic bread.
Yeah. All right, let's try it. Mm. Oh, that's so good.
These are good, aren't they?
Mm-hmm. Yum.
You can put honey, jelly, syrup, what doesn't matter.
I'm gonna put some honey on it because that's
That'd be
delicious.
I'm going to bring some of that Golden Eagle. In Alabama and southern area,
Yeah.
they love the Golden Eagle syrup.
I bet that'd be good
mentioned-
on it.
Yeah, they've even mentioned that in the comments.
Mm.
Good.
Mm-hmm. You gotta try this one, Mom.
Can't wait.
Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. That is so good. And moist.
And give it here. Honey.
Honey. now you're going to be handing me a napkin. I got it all over the place. Well, I tell you what, Steve would have loved this one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And Steve would say, are these the best quick dinner rolls you've ever tasted? If they ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching and liking.
And subscribing.
And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media sites. Those are all listed right below.
Yes, and sign up for our free membership.
Free membership, and you're going to be the first to hear about everything that's coming up this year, all the exciting things. You can get our cookbook at shotgunred.com, as well as some other goodies like the Shotgun Red doll, DVDs, cup, all kinds of things. So much more. Check it out, shotgunred.com. Thanks again. Don't forget to give us that thumbs up if you like what we're doing, and subscribe right down there at the bottom.
And give us a thumbs up anyway.
Yeah, give us a thumbs up anyway. Why not? We appreciate you so much, and we'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. All right, Mom, you got to try this.
Try this.
Oh, I
Really?
can't wait.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.